New data from the state is revealing how vaccinated Coloradans were affected by the Omicron surge.
With a big spike of breakthrough cases arising just after Christmas, KRDO News Channel 13's Mallory Anderson is digging into the numbers and asking the question, should this data discourage anyone from getting a COVID vaccine?
Yeah, this data is confirming what a lot of us already knew. Some of us even experienced scores of vaccinated people coming down with the virus recently, a lot of them getting tested here at the Chapel Hills Mall. But health experts tell me that you are still much better off getting vaccinated. It's really a testament to how contagious Omicron has been. As of the week of January 23rd, 1,131 per 100,000 cases were people vaccinated but hadn't gotten a booster. Those with their booster were lower, with 795 per 100,000 cases. And still far in the lead were the unvaccinated, as you can see from the light blue on the graph. But the state epidemiologist insists getting COVID while vaccinated isn't the problem. It's that the unvaccinated are still much more likely to die.
Individuals that are boosted, have received that third dose, are 56 times less likely to die of COVID-19 than individuals that are unvaccinated. And that's a really staggering difference of risk between those two populations. So again, booster doses, those third doses really continue to be the best way to prevent severe disease outcomes.
The state's data also tells us which vaccines seem to be working the best. Those who got Moderna were the highest population to get COVID behind the unvaccinated, followed by Johnson & Johnson and then Pfizer. Another interesting stat is that Hispanic people were much more likely than any other race to come down with COVID if they were vaccinated, but they hadn't got their booster. A staggering 11,700 cases compared to about 4,000 cases in white people. The state says they can't pinpoint exactly why that is, but they do tell me they're working hard to ensure that there is health equity across Colorado. Reporting in Colorado Springs, I'm Mallory Anderson, KRDO News Channel 13.